Hello, friends. Welcome back. We were talking about the strategies, the strategical mechanism. I understand that this is something everybody of us has to understand for the survival of the life. This we have to understand to shape on our personality, to live happily. So everything is dependent upon the coping strategies, the coping styles. World talks about the great personalities when adversity rocked them, kind of, and it knocked their doors. How strategically resilient they were, how smart they were in coping with such kind of things. Why? Because bad time has to come. You have to feel stressful. Many situations will make you realize that your potential is less than the situation, so you are not going to overcome this. That's the time when not only to the world you have to show that you are the one who is born to win, and you understand your own capacities, your own kind of potentialities, and your own resilience, your patience. And that's the time when you realize that you're born to kind of get through the process of these stresses. So, but the bad thing is that most of the cultures teach us to push the stressor and live with the stressor, to move out of the stressor. But researchers say that most of the time this is wasting your energy. If your friend is creating a problem and you're all time crying because of your friend, and doing without that friend will make your life healthier. Why? Because you have other works to do. You have other significant people, your parents. If because of that particular friend, your parents' life with you is being affected, you're not talking nice with your sister, who is very very important and who's more loyal than that particular friend who's creating problems in your life. So there seems no reason to carry on with that friend of yours. Or sometimes we are into love relationship, and that person kind of harasses us, and we cannot cope. And because we cannot cope, so we don't do justice with the people who need us. Our parents cannot replace us as a daughter with somebody else, but maybe that boyfriend or that friend of yours can have ample number of replacements for you. So we have to take care that mostly the societies, the cultures, for example, the girl will say that they are not doing good with me and I don't feel staying with their home. Mostly mothers and parents, they will tell the girl to have patience, to stay there, to don't do the things, to don't come to their parents' home frequently, which they don't like. Obey them nicely, and work day and night to impress upon your mother-in-law, your husband, your everybody. But in a way, sometimes if the girl will do so much, but they are not going to change. Why? Because they are not bent to change. They are focused towards creating problems. That time, maybe sometimes she can be murdered or committed suicide. So in such situation, after the girl will die, or after the person will commit suicide, people will say, oh, why did not she tell us, or what was important in this living life, that she did such and step, she should have moved ahead. But while she's alive, or while that person is kind of fighting with that kind of situation, people say he's clumsy, lazy, or he's not of potential, ये तो बहाने करता है, और ये लड़की की खुद की नेचर अच्छी नहीं है, that she will stay with us. But जब कोई kind of somebody decides to kill, that time people speak the totally opposite. So it is better to understand, most of the times the problem has to be erased from your life. Your life is more precious. So problem focused strategy is totally different from emotional focused strategy. In emotional focused strategy, you are enhancing your own emotions to cope up with the stimulus. Why? Because that person is not going to come out of your life, that situation is going to stay same. You feed your mind with the things that I have to live with this person, I have to kind of live with this situation and with this disease or whatever the stressful life event. But in problem focused, you are becoming more focused. So once you understand, it's very, very important. Sometimes, without reasons we feel fatigued, we feel frustrated, and then we feel, kind of very low in dealing with the other things of our life. So that time it becomes number one very important to understand what exactly the problem is, which is, kind of demoralizing you and making you depressed. Suppose in a workplace, these days it is stress in the work and in traveling to the work and coming back to the home. So while that, you have to, number one, identify the problem. What exactly is the, problem? So problem focused coping centers around the source of your stress, the source of the stress, and the problem focused coping strategies you have to form. You have to make a circle of the coping strategies so that you can come out of this stress. So the first step is to identify the problem. As I said, although this might seem simple, but it's not that simple. To have you come home from work and felt stressful, most of the times, you have felt stressful. So can you pinpoint exactly what the problem was? So it could have been the insist meeting, so many of the meetings, the temperamental clients, or you long commute, you travel along to go to your workplace, and figuring out what problem you want to tackle is not always straightforward. Like, I'll tell you, beta, we were conditioned to go to the colleges and have our classes with you, and deliver the lecture and prepare, kind of, and deliver the lecture. But now suddenly the COVID-19 has come. So most of us, including me also, we were not that techno friendly. It was not a part of our job, and whenever, even if it was required, so we used to consult somebody and go and sit and learn that. But now everything is, technical friendly. It's become digital. So automatically this was a source of stress. But then, Google classes, like, I have so many, 6 of the Google classes, talking consumer psychology, social psychology, managing stress, and self and personal growth. So in every Google class there are different set of students, so I have to do justice with everybody, and I have to talk. So I had to learn and increase my creativity, to shoot myself here in it, and then talk to you in your own language, which you are able to understand. So such kind of things are very, very important. In first you have to identify the problem, then only you know what problem you need to address. What are the, like, there are 5 problems, so you have to focus upon the number 1 problem which you cannot change, which cannot wait for you. So for example, you can solve your problem by managing time. You can set the priorities, you can have leisure time, make a balance between work time and leisure time. So that is very, very important. Then avoid the problem. In case there is a person who is all time quarrelsome, who have a strong dislike for you, so it is better that not to talk to that person, especially when you have other works to do. So avoiding the problem, avoiding the situation, and that is a strategy of problem solving. Then ask for support. It's not always that you're perfect, it's not always that you can only solve the problem. Sometimes you need help, sometimes you have 5-6 प्रॉब्लम्स टुगेदर, सो यू कैन रिलाई अपॉन। और बेटा, जब मुश्किलें आती हैं तभी दोस्तों का, तभी अपनों का पता चलता है। तो झिझकना नहीं है, हमें झिझकना नहीं है। वी डोंट हैव टू हेजिटेट इन आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प। वाई? बिकॉज अगर हम कहेंगे नहीं, इफ विल नॉट आस्क, people will not give. So you have to form strategies of the ways of asking, ताकि कोई आपको ना कह सके. So this is a kind of mechanism, problem focused, जिसमें आप problem की तरफ focus करते हैं. हो सकता है, अगर हो सकता है जैसे फ्रेंड, आपका लाइफ पार्टनर, सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी के साथ इस बंदे के साथ पेशेंस रख के इमोशनल फोकस्ड स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं, सो आप करिए, ज़रूर करिए, बिकॉज एक रिश्ते को बचाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर health. So if you're problem focused, you have to identify the problem. You have to manage the time between, work and home, and to all the, parameters. Then you have to ask for support. So there are various strategies for problem focused. Number one, but it all starts from the identification of that problem, and then talking to your own self, relaxing yourself, taking care about your health. Why? Because अगर आप ही गिर जाएंगे तो आपकी प्रॉब्लम तो वैसी वैसी रहेगी, और वो प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व नहीं होगी, अलबत्ता और प्रॉब्लम्स आपकी लाइफ में आ जाएंगी. यू विल बी मोर एब्सेंट माइंडेड से यू कैन बी एक्सीडेंटल प्रोन. यू विल नॉट ईट फूड, सो यू विल फॉल सिक एंड you will have to get hospitalized. But sometimes आपको केयर गिव करना है अपने पेरेंट को, अपने बच्चे को, किसी को, आप तो बीमार पड़ ही नहीं सकते. सो प्लीज़, it is important for you and for me too that we identify the problems of our lives, try to escape from them and try to solve them and try to be away from these problems as much as we can do. And if we cannot do this, then we have to form the emotional strategies so that we know how to stay with this kind of thing, because this thing is not going to change. So thank you so much, beta. I have a great zeal for my students, and they should come forward in case they don't understand any of my lectures. I'll be more than happy to resolve the problems and the issues which you have. Thank you so much and have a good day. Thank you, beta.